today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute garland that repurposes old book pages. So each of these orbs is made from a discarded book. So the materials you're going to need to do this craft are an old book. This was one that came back to us with the spine broken. So obviously, please don't, because we're going to cut it up, please don't use a currently checked out library book or something that you want to read again, because it is going to get destroyed. Okay, you're also going to need some twine, scissors, glue, and a pencil. Let's get started. All right, so step one is going to be taking your book that you no longer need anymore. And then I found this little ribbon. Anything that's round that you can trace, you're just going to trace some circles into your book, and then we're going to cut these out. Now, my scissors are pretty good, so I can cut several sheets of paper at one time. And we're going to go ahead and do that. They do not need to be perfect. So once we have a big pile, and I've already pre-cut a bunch here, the next thing we are going to do is to fold each in half. That is easy. And so on. So again, I've already kind of done this to speed our video along. After you have folded everything, you're going to grab your glue, and you're going to place the glue on just one side of your folded circle. You're going to grab another one of your pieces of paper and connect those. So now we have something that looks like this. There we go. And we're going to keep going. Now, in my sample one that I've already started, I used 5 pieces of this circle paper to make one orb. You could certainly use more pieces of paper, and they're going to be even larger. And we're going to keep connecting these, just like I did before. I'm going to stick with my pattern of using 5 pieces. This is my 4th. All right. So we're going to continue for all of the circles for one orb until they're glued together, but we're not going to glue it closed. So this is my last piece. Okay, so here you can see my center, and this is where we're going to stop for right now. From here, we're going to grab our twine, and I'm actually just going to add this onto the one I've already started. And where we had that center from putting all of our circles together before, I'm going to lay my twine down. And now I'm going to add that glue to the one side again. And then holding the twine carefully in place, we're going to glue the orb closed. And they sometimes get stuck together, so we're going to fluff that out. All right, so at this point, all you have to do is keep repeating those steps. And then you're going to have this nice, beautiful garland. You can space your orbs as close or as far apart as you would like, and you can keep going until it is of the size that you wish. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tuesday Crafternoon. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks. Bye-bye.